Discover the top 5 best automatic watches in 2026, where timeless craftsmanship meets modern innovation. This year's standout mechanical timepieces blend precision engineering, enduring style, and exceptional value, appealing to both seasoned collectors and enthusiasts alike. From robust divers built for adventure to refined classics that elevate everyday wear, each watch on our list showcases superior automatic movements and thoughtful design. Whether you seek durability, heritage, or a striking aesthetic, these automatic watches represent the pinnacle of horology in 2026, offering reliable performance, lasting quality, and undeniable wrist presence for any occasion. Number 1. Pagani-designed PD-1645. The Pagani-designed PD-1645 is where refined style meets everyday reliability. From the moment it's on your wrist, its sophisticated presence stands out with a bold 42mm stainless steel case and a striking luminescent dial that commands attention. Crafted from premium 316L stainless steel, both the case and bracelet are built to resist fading, corrosion, and daily wear, while sapphire crystal glass protects the dial with exceptional scratch resistance and long-lasting clarity. Inside, a Japanese automatic mechanical movement delivers precise and dependable timekeeping. Powered by your natural wrist motion, it requires no batteries, turning movement into energy with every wear. A simple turn of the crown brings it to life, reinforcing the seamless connection between craftsmanship and function. Designed for real life, the PD-1645 offers water resistance up to 100 meters, handling rain, hand washing, or everyday splashes with confidence. The secure folding safety clasp ensures a comfortable and stable fit throughout the day. The textured dial enhances durability and depth, while luminous coating guarantees clear visibility in low light, day or night. Thoughtful gift packaging, a detailed manual, and a quality guarantee complete the experience, making the Pagani-designed PD-1645 a watch you can trust, enjoy, and proudly wear every day. Number 2. Invicta Pro Diver. The Invicta Pro Diver is a timeless expression of classic dive watch design blended with modern reliability. Built with a solid 40mm stainless steel case and a bold 14.1mm profile, it delivers a confident wrist presence without feeling oversized. The black dial creates a clean, professional look, while luminous hands ensure clear readability in low light conditions, whether underwater or after dark. An exhibition case back adds a refined touch, letting you admire the mechanical craftsmanship inside. At its core is the trusted NH35A Japanese automatic movement, featuring 24 joules for smooth, accurate performance. Powered by natural wrist motion, it eliminates the need for batteries and reflects the enduring appeal of mechanical watchmaking. Assembled in Malaysia and weighing 155 grams, the Pro Diver feels substantial, reinforcing its quality build and durability. The stainless steel band offers a secure and comfortable fit with a total length of 205 millimeters, making it suitable for everyday wear or more adventurous outings. Designed as a complete experience, the watch arrives in a premium gift box with clear instructions and is backed by a 3-year limited manufacturer warranty. With dependable customer support and iconic styling, the Invicta Pro Diver stands as a reliable companion for those who appreciate performance, precision, and timeless design in one powerful timepiece. Number 3. Orient Bambino. The Orient Bambino is a timeless symbol of elegance, designed for those who appreciate classic watchmaking and refined simplicity. Its round stainless steel case, finished in a clean silver tone, delivers a polished and sophisticated presence that pairs effortlessly with both formal and smart casual attire. The balanced proportions and smooth contours reflect a design philosophy rooted in tradition, making it a watch that never goes out of style. Protected by durable mineral glass, the dial maintains clarity while offering reliable resistance against everyday wear. This thoughtful choice of glass preserves the refined appearance of the watch while ensuring it remains practical for daily use. The stainless steel casing adds strength and longevity, giving the Bambino a solid yet comfortable feel on the wrist. Every detail of the Orient Bambino is focused on understated luxury. Rather than chasing trends, it embraces a clean, minimalist aesthetic that highlights precision and craftsmanship. The silver case enhances its versatility, allowing it to transition seamlessly from the office to evening occasions. With its classic round shape, quality materials, and elegant design, the Orient Bambino is more than just a watch. It is a statement of taste, tradition, and quiet confidence, created for those who value timeless style and dependable craftsmanship in every moment.
Number 4. Addies Dive AD 2059. The Addies Dive AD 2059 blends refined design with everyday practicality, creating a watch that feels both modern and timeless. Its exquisite sand-colored dial immediately draws attention, featuring a delicate texture that adds depth and character. Elegantly raised logos, lettering, and seconds markers enhance the premium look, while the integrated calendar function keeps the date clearly visible at a glance. Powering the AD 2059 is a reliable Japanese VH35 quartz movement, delivering precise timekeeping through a clean three-hand analog display with a dedicated date window. Designed for daily life, the hardened bubble mineral glass reduces reflections and offers dependable resistance for long-term use, making it well-suited for both casual and professional settings. With a balanced 38mm case diameter, a 48mm lug-to-lug length, and a comfortable 20mm lug width, this watch sits naturally on the wrist. The 13.5mm case thickness, including glass and caseback, adds a solid yet wearable presence. Paired with a stainless steel bracelet, the total watch length reaches 220mm, providing a secure and confident fit. Weighing approximately 145.58 grams, it feels substantial without being overwhelming. The Addies Dive AD 2059 is a thoughtful combination of subtle elegance, precise Japanese engineering, and comfortable proportions, making it an ideal companion for those who value understated style and dependable performance in an everyday timepiece.
Number 5. Bernie Dive Watch. The Bernie Dive Watch is engineered for precision, durability, and serious underwater performance. At its heart is the reliable Miyota 8215 automatic movement, delivering accurate timekeeping with both self-winding and manual winding support. With a power reserve of over 41 hours, it's built to keep up with your lifestyle, while manual winding ensures dependable operation after extended rest. Designed for comfort and strength, the ergonomically shaped case fits naturally on the wrist. Crafted from solid 304L stainless steel and protected by high-hardness sapphire glass, this watch offers excellent scratch resistance for long-term wear. Available in blue, green, and black style options, each paired with a waterproof silicone strap, it balances sporty character with refined style. Functionality takes center stage with the bidirectional rotating inner bezel operated smoothly via the crown at 2 o'clock. Clear markings and dual-color fluorescence, orange for the first 15 minutes and blue for the remaining 45, make underwater time tracking intuitive and safe. Built for aquatic adventures, the screw-down crown enhances water protection, while 200-meter water resistance ensures confidence during swimming and diving.
BGW9's superluminous technology keeps the dial clearly visible in low-light conditions. Backed by Bernese watchmaking heritage since 1995, this dive watch reflects a commitment to excellence, reliability, and customer satisfaction, making it a trusted companion both above and below the surface.